Let's make pretzel halva brownies. To begin, add 250 grams of unsalted butter to a saucepan and melt it down on the stove. Meanwhile, crack 4 medium eggs into a bowl. Lightly whisk them and set them aside. Over 100 grams of ground almonds, add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 50 grams of cocoa powder. Whisk well to combine and set aside. When the butter is melted and foamy, take it off the heat. Add 300 grams of sugar and whisk well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Continue whisking for a good 3 minutes or until the sugar melts and the mixture reaches a condensed milk consistency. Add 200 grams of dark chocolate and mix until it melts. Now add the beaten eggs and whisk them in. Continue by mixing in the dry ingredients. You should have a thick and rich consistency as you see in the video. Add to the brownie base the best part of 90 grams of salted pretzels, a few whole ones and a few crushed ones. Keep some pretzels back to put on the top of the brownie before baking. From 150 grams of halva, roughly crumble in 100 grams. The remaining 50 grams of halva will be crumbled on top of the brownie. Mix everything well to combine. Pour the mixture into a 9 by 9 inch tray lined with parchment paper. Spread it neatly. Now crumble the remaining halva over the top. Place the remaining pretzels over the halva crumbs. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. When baked, leave it to cool completely in the tray and then refrigerate it for a few hours. I was impatient, so I sliced into the brownie without refrigerating it. It was delicious nonetheless. Thanks for watching, and you can discover more recipes on my channel. Bye!